Hey everyone, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub and supporting the Learn How to Draw Hub family. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a pig. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's go see what we can come up with. For the first step in making our pig, we're going to begin by making a snout, followed by one eye on each side of the snout. Now above the left eye that we just made, we're going to make a flower. Great start. Now we're going to make one big backward C coming from the flower that we just made, and this will be the pig's body. Now on the right side, we're going to make the first leg of our pig, followed by a right ear up top. Now on the left side, we're going to make two C-like shapes. After that, we'll make 3 more feet for our pig. Below each eye, we're going to make one more circle. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your pig with us.